This might be the most well-marked trail I've ever seen, at least for us. That's insane. I think they want you to stay on it too. So just another little interesting factoid from somebody that's been up in this area quite a bit. We've never filmed this particular area, but Madison, that kind of stuff growing up, my family being from here. Right down the street, there's something called Cave of the Mounds. You see signs for it, as I bust my ass. You see signs for it everywhere. So that's a cave that goes underneath. It's private. It's not part of this system. So my 2 cents, there's nothing wrong with the touristy stuff. I mean, we're down for a good Disney theme park every once in a while, but we kind of prefer this kind of thing a little bit more of the state park, natural park, that kind of stuff.